So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to install node.js in Windows 11. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. First of all, open Chrome browser in your PC and search for download node.js. Here in the top you can see the site download node.js. Click on it. Then select the version you want to download for Windows. Then scroll down a little bit and Windows installer. Before that, don't forget to confirm the architecture and click on Windows installer to install. Select the location you want to download the file and click on save. Here you can see the file has downloaded. Click on it to set up the file. Click on next. I accept the terms, the license agreement. Click on next. Choose the location you want to download the node.js and click on next. Again click on next, next, and then click on install to install node.js in your Windows 11. So that's how you can install node.js in Windows 11. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.